Okay, hi everyone. This is another seagull video. So since they're coming so close to the car, when I put something up, I'm gonna feed them a prawn end and see if they like take it out of my hand, which one did before. So I'll just get that right. Okay, just about there. His head came in the whole window, yeah. Do you have another one? Ready? So, prawn end versus seagull.
Could be tricky. You might lose a finger.
I might lose a finger. Well, that's not good. Hold up. It's gonna be a risky one. Oh, he almost came in the whole window. Ready? He almost comes through the whole window. Now I'll play with this one for a bit. Ready? No, he landed. Hey. Okay, this is the last one. So who's the lucky one? Who's the lucky one? Alright, well, thanks for watching. Yeah. Please subscribe.